a famous victory. You know Marc Marquez, though, is going to go all in. Will he try and attack Quartararo on the brakes into the first corner? Here's the final test. He's gone for it straight away into turn one. Marc Marquez then takes the lead on the final lap into turn one, and he defends immediately into turn two. Can Fabio Quartararo fight his way back through? Did this in 2017 in the rain conditions. Did that alone for truth, did he, Marquez? Quartararo's going for it at turn number 4. He's got the inside line. Can he hold it? The Yamaha tries to win a little bit wide, but Quartararo did hold it. He's now coming through into turn number 6. He's having none of it. Quartararo, if you're going to win this, Mark, you're going to have to do it the hard way, he says. This is a battle we're going to see plenty of in the future. They're side by side again, and up to the inside in a turn. Marquez. Can he get it stopped? He has. Somehow Marquez drops anchor and just about gets it pulled down to the apex. Is that it? Has Marc Marquez finally made the crucial move? He got Quartararo at turn 1. Quartararo got him back at turn 4. Turn 8 though now. Marquez has fired that left hander into lane. Big twitch, he comes on to the back straight. I think Marc Marquez may well have this one covered. It's going to be ultimate speed though from Fabio Quartararo. He's closing. Is he going to have a look? He's surely got to have a look into turn 14, Fabio Quartararo. That's where the Yamaha was so strong. That's where Quartararo had the edge grip. Here he comes. Here comes Alonso. No, he's not going to make it. There are just 2 corners to go. Oh, he almost trips up over Marquez. Surely that's it. Quartararo, the first mistake really we've seen from him. Marc Marquez is going to win an epic last lap battle finally in 2019. Through the final corner, Marquez wins in enemy territory here in Misano. Quartararo finishes in second, and it's Maverick Vinales who takes third place. And he absolutely loves that. Further back, Rossi couldn't make the podium, but he's in 4th for the 3rd race on the trot. Morbidelli 5th, and Dobby in 6th. Fabio Quartararo, what a performance. What a fight he put up in front of the Yamaha management. Incredible. We can go down to Alberto Puig, who's just seen another masterclass from Marc Marquez. Over to you, Simon Craper.
Oh, I had him, and now his mechanics are jumping all over him. I've got him here, yeah. Alberto, tell me, what do you think of your superstars?
Hey, fantastic job, unbelievable. They are very happy. But both riders did a fantastic job.
Thank you.
Yeah, both riders did a fantastic job. He wasn't quite close enough. Just wondered there whether Marquez just perhaps deliberately just tried to roll off just a little bit. Well, not roll off, but cut down his corner speed, because he knew then that if Quartararo wasn't coming through, he pretty much had it nailed. Quartararo needed the wide line there, didn't he? There was no way through. He had the line, did Marc Marquez, and even if he did roll off, it's perfectly normal, but Quartararo's going to be gutted about that one. Marc Marquez, well, if there was any doubt before, there's none now. He wins the last lap battle. He wins it in fine style, and he moves ahead of Mike Hailwood to 77 victories in all classes. Astonishing.